Welcome to another video, Northwest Pole Repairs. It's been a while since I've put a post on with the repair. Anyway, I thought I'd show you this one. It's quite a good one. It's 21 inches in length, and he's stood on it, stepped back, and he crushed his pole section. He's tried all over the place to try and get one. He can't get one. Love the money, so I decided going the other way, just for me to have a go at repairing it for him. See, he's squashed that in. I can sort it out. I'll post when I've finished, and you can have a look. So I'll either carry on as part 2 of this one, and it should be too long. It should be for the end of this week, beginning of next week, when I can get round to showing you the finished product. Please go to my website, polerepairs.net, and also please leave comments. I like the comments. I like it what people say about me pole repairs, as long as they're all good ones, mind you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you all soon. Thank you. Bye. Welcome to part 2 of the video. Right, I managed to repair this this bad section now. It's ended up, it's 24 inches in length. So I'll show you what it's how it's all turned out. As you can see, I come along. Not much I can really say about this apart from, you know, it's repaired. There we are. There's the end of it there. 24 inches. Found it a big challenge. Finally done it. See if you get any pole repairs you want doing, please get in touch with Northwest Pole Repairs. Hope you enjoyed your videos. Please visit my website, polerepairs.net. Thank you.